Welcome back to Leggari, everyone. We're going to be showing you another super easy technique on how applying our countertop kits. Like we said, there's endless techniques, endless colors. They're super easy to install, and they're also a lot of fun. And stay tuned until the end of the video to learn how you can win your very own epoxy sample kit. Thanks for watching. So you guys know how we do it. We just dump it down the middle. So an easy way to spread it, guys, if you don't have the squeegee, look at that. Look how fast I'm moving this stuff around. So I'll do this, and then I'll get my roller or my brush and kind of feather it all out. I like to get it right up to the edge. I'm not really applying any pressure at all. Kind of letting it glide across the surface. Now when I go to roll that out, this is going to be so much faster. You guys are always de-shedding your rollers. If it's a foam roller, you don't really need to de-shed it, but if it's a hair nap roller, always de-shed it. And I always like to do it a couple times. I pre-de-shedded this, but I'm doing it again just to show you guys in the video. But always de-shed your rollers. And always use painter's tape. Don't use the blue tape. It doesn't pull off the hairs as good. The painter's tape, that yellowish tan color, is the best tape to use because it's super sticky. Alright guys, so I'm just doing the top, getting right up to my edges. I'm not running over the edge yet. Some spots will probably start to drip on you, but that's alright. You just don't want to start running it off the edge right away because it's just going to flow off and get on the floor. Alright, so now the top's all done. Now I'm just going to take my time, roll on the top, put some on the edge. Roll on the top, put some on the edge. All we're trying to do is get the edge coated. That way the material will flow over the edge better instead of just doing kind of drips like that. We can get that whole edge coated, the material will just start flowing over nice and even, and that's how you get your edges to look really good. These are pretty thick edges. This is more of like a backsplash edge. You're probably not going to have edges on your counters this thick unless you just build them out of wood and then apply our kit to it. You can make them that thick and it actually looks a lot cooler. I like the thicker edges, makes them look a lot chunkier. So all I'm doing right now is creating a major vein down the middle of the desk here, and then I'll come back after I get that how I want it. I'll add some highlight veins on the outside of So what I'm doing here is just getting color right on that edge, a little pile. So when it flows over the edge, it still has a lot of color to pull with it. And that's gonna make your edges look really good. So now I'm just taking the paintbrush and blending the veins, and then our big vein down the middle, kind of blending that in too. Once I got the top blended in, now I'm just going to start doing my edges kind of the same way, just blending the color in where all the highlight color is. When you're doing really tall edges like this, you might need to come back and hit the edges periodically over the next half an hour while the epoxy's setting up. You might get a couple random drip edges where you can kind of see a drip starting. You'll just take your paintbrush and kind of feather that back in to where it's not a drip. And that's really all you have to do on these thick edges to make them look really awesome. If you're not getting our emails and you're a subscriber, make sure you go to your settings and change that to ensure you see all of our footage. Every time we post a video, you should be getting an email. We want to make sure you guys see all of our videos and you have the chance to enter for our free giveaway. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share our videos for your chance to win a free epoxy sample kit so you can try out our products, see how awesome they are, see how easy they are to apply. And all you have to do to enter for that is comment below, subscribe, and share our video. So every 50,000 views that this video gets, we'll be sending out a free epoxy sample kit to someone who's done those 3 things. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and remember, Leggari.com has you covered.